Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an Xbox One updated to the latest firmware, an Xbox Live account, and Game Pass Ultimate for cloud access. Next, make sure your home network is fast and stable. Prefer wired or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection with at least 10 Mbps. Once done, sign into the Xbox with the account tied to your subscription and open the Store or Game Pass app so you can access cloud-enabled titles immediately. You now navigate to the Game Pass app and select the Cloud tab or search for games labeled Play Cloud. When you pick a title, choose Play to start streaming. This bypasses local install and launches quickly. While loading, pair your Xbox controller and confirm audio output and TV resolution to reduce lag or sync issues. If you expect latency, lower the resolution or close background apps. Doing so gives the stream more bandwidth and improves input responsiveness. You finish by closing the cloud game or returning home to free your cloud session for later. If you encounter lag or stuttering, test your network speed, switch to a wired connection or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel, and restart your router. These steps often resolve throughput problems. If the service says you lack access, sign out and back into Xbox, verify your Game Pass Ultimate is active, and make sure your account is the one signed in on the console.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.